So here we have the Tasty Junior Mini Chef Set. This is a 4-in-1 with 13 accessories. So first we have this little toaster. So this little toaster has 2 slices of bread or toast. And it goes here in the slot above. So you would put your toast in. You will push the dial down, or the little lever down on the side. You'll push that down and you'll turn the dial. And the toast pops up. Next up we have the blender. Okay, so this top comes off of there like that. Okay, it has an on-off button here, so you can press this. And the little wheel inside there turns. Let's take the lid off so you can see what's going on inside. So as I push the button, the wheel turns. And those are little pretend blades. And over here we have measurements. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounces. And we'll put the apple in, and let's see what happens when we put the apple in and push the on button. The apple just bounces around. And so this blender comes with an apple. It comes with a banana. And it comes with 1 cup. So you can pour your pretend smoothie in the cup. And the light lights up. I don't know if you saw that, but the light here lights up when you press the on and off button. Okay, so next up we have the stand mixer, and this stand mixer comes off of the stand. So it comes off like this. And this thing is pretty neat because it also lights up when you press the button down, but right now it's off. So if we turn it on to self, we would have to press this button down by ourselves, and then this light turns on. And then also, like the blender, it has an auto mode, so it can go on automatically without having to press this top button. Watch. Okay, so that goes on top of this stand here, and this bowl comes out. Let's see, let's maneuver this bowl. In this bowl, you can put things in here to mix, and then you'll just place it back on here. And let's press the button on top and see it spin. Okay, so I have a bag of little fun size M&Ms. And I have a little roll of Smarties. Let's put those both in the mixer and mix it. Let's put the Smarties in first. And then let's put the M&Ms in. And let's turn it on and see if they reach. Okay, so I went and got some more Smarties. The Smarties aren't reaching to the blades, to the little spinner there. Let's see if it'll spin now. Okay, and here is our oven and our stove set. So if we open this door, we can see inside we have a little turkey, and we have this oven rack that pulls in and out like this. And then if we push this button here, the turkey button, I bet this green light lights up. Let's try it. Okay, let's see what happens if we hit the muffin button. Okay, and what about the pizza button? When you press these buttons, the oven lights up and it makes real baking sounds. So here we have two knobs. Do they turn? They do turn, and you can press them. See if you guys can see them light up as you press the button. So as you can see, this also makes real cooking sounds. And then here it comes with a frying pan and one egg. So here is the egg. And here is the frying pan. And then here we have a soup pot. So if you wanted to make soup, you can do so here in this pot. And this one has a lid. So for breakfast, we can make an egg with some toast. So first, let's make the toast by pressing this lever down on the side and turning this on. Whoops, it looks like our toast is done. So here we have our toast. Next, we have to fry our egg. Okay, in order to fry the egg, we gotta turn the stove on. Let's heat up our pan and turn the stove on. Now that our pan is nice and hot, let's put in our egg. Okay, that is done cooking. Now we need to get our toast. Here's our toast, and here is our cooked egg. And there you go. You have an egg on toast. If you wanted, you could also make some oatmeal in this pot or some soup. Oh, you know what we need? We need one last thing to go with our breakfast sandwich. How's about a smoothie? Let's make a banana and apple smoothie. So let's get the blender and let's put our banana in there and let's put our apple in there. Don't forget to put the lid back on and turn on and blend the fruits. Okay, that's done. Let's pour it out. There you have it. You have a smoothie and an egg on toast. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.